Are you somebody who wants to lose weight this year in 2019 and lose a lot of weight in a short amount of time? This workout is simple and it's effective, and you can do it anywhere. So that's whether that's at the gym, whether it's home or in a hotel. You don't need a lot of room. It's all pretty much on the spot exercises. Just starting off, it's going to be perfect for you. And if you want to learn how to lose weight and you want to see more videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button just below and also the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. First exercise of the cardio workout, and that is jogging on the spot. Hopefully you all know how to jog on the spot. I'm a bit worried if you don't. Just bringing those knees up nice and high, around waist height, and just keep that movement going, nice and light. Okay, once you've done 45 seconds of jogging on the spot, you're then going to move straight into jumping jacks. Starting into the pencil position, you're going to raise those arms above your head, showing off those sweat patches like I am. And then you're also going to bring your legs out to the side at the same time. Stay on the balls of your feet, heels off the ground, and keep that consistently going for another 45 seconds. Each exercise is 45 seconds, moving straight on to the next exercise. Good luck with this one, because we've now got squat jumps and your legs are going to be on fire. So to do these, you want to push your hips back, lower yourself down so that your legs are at a 90-degree angle, keeping your back straight, chest forward, and then from there we're going to spring up into that jump, landing back into the same position and cushioning the landing with the squat, and keep that consistently going for the 45 seconds. Working the full body again, we have now got plank jacks. This is the easier option, and that is pretty much in the press up plank position. If you want to make it even harder, then you go into the plank position, so elbows underneath your shoulders. From there, we're going to kick our legs out to the side and then back into the center so that the feet meet in together. Make sure when we're doing this, we're keeping the core tight and the hips aren't too high, and just cushion the landing with a slight bend of the knee every time you land on the jack. Okay, fifth and final exercise, and that is bicycle crunches, and this is the easier version. So to do this, you're going to have your hands underneath your bum, and we're just going to pretty much bring one knee all the way in and then one leg all the way out. For the harder version, what we're going to do is bring the elbow across the body to the opposite knee, leaning forward so that your shoulders are slightly off the ground. And this is a really good core exercise to work those abdominals and obliques. 45 seconds per exercise, and the only rest you're going to have is once you've done all 5 exercises. And I want you to repeat it 4 times. Right, so guys, I hope you get onto that, and it's a good workout for you. Get a good sweat on and burn loads of calories. Let me know, make sure you comment below how you get on and what exercise hurt the most. Also, make sure that you check out the other video, which is just here, and that is a core conditioning workout, and it can be done in 10 minutes. Fuck off. If you want to learn more how to lose weight, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a video.